Hello everyone, welcome to Spurti's Academy. Today we are seeing into AP Set Paper 1 strategy. Before that, I want to introduce myself. I am Nagajyoti. I have completed my MA English Language and Literature and I have qualified my AP Set exam in first attempt. If you like the videos, please like, share and subscribe. Then look into the state eligibility test, a brief notification. AP Set exam was released on 9th August 2020. Online registration for AP Set starts from 14th August to 2020 to 19th September 20. There will be 8 centers: Vizag, Rajamandri, Guntur, Nellore, Anantapur, Tirupati, Kadapa, Kurnool. Year నుంచి centers they have increased the centers. Can see how many questions are there in AP Set exam. There will be two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1, 50 questions, each question carry 2 marks, 100 marks altogether. And paper 2, 100 questions, each question carry 2 marks. Total marks will be 200. Altogether 300 marks the exam will be conducted. There is no negative marking. So this is a boon for every aspirant who are writing AP Set exam, because before that there is negative marking is there, but at present there is no negative marking. Exam will be conducted on OMR based. It is purely offline exam. In 30 subjects the exam is conducting. In those 30 subjects, paper 2 for commerce, economics, education, history, political science, public administration, sociology will be in both Telugu and English medium. For the rest of the subjects, that is 20 subjects, paper will be in English only. Paper 1 for all subjects will be in both Telugu and English medium. There is no age limit for the exam. This is only for eligibility test who are interested in teaching and who want to write degree lecturers and assistant professor exams. What are the qualifying marks? For general 40% and for OBC, SC, ST, PWD 35% is the qualifying marks. Those applied with late fee of rupees 5,000, they will be allotted Vizag center only. 5,000 రూపీస్తో ఎవరైతే అప్లై చేస్తారో వాళ్ళకి వైజాగ్లో సెంటర్ మాత్రమే సెంటర్ అలాట్ చేస్తారు. అడ్మిట్ కార్డ్ విల్ బీ ఇష్యూడ్ ఫ్రమ్ 26th November 2020 to 5th December. Examination date is on 6th December 2020. What are the syllabus for paper 1? You can see into this. There will be 10 chapters. Each chapter will have 5 marks: teaching aptitude, research aptitude, comprehension, communication, mathematical reasoning and aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, information and communication technology, people and environment, higher education system, governments, polity and administration. In those 10 chapters, some 6 chapters are theory based and remaining 4 are mathematical chapters. So each and every chapter is important. You should go through all the chapters because weightage of marks will be 5 marks from each chapter. we will look into detail of syllabus, that is next ICT, that is information and communication technology, in the next video. First I will post you uh, previous year questions. One should be familiar of previous year questions, then you can look into the syllabus, means it will be easy for you how to write the exam and how to crack the exam. So in the next video I will start with ICT, important question and previous questions. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.